In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Google Sites. This seemingly simple task can actually enhance the navigation and overall user experience of your site. So let's dive right into it and get your website links set up correctly. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Sites dashboard. Start by going to the Google Sites website. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on sign in, enter your email address, hit next, then type in your password and finally click on sign in again. This will take you directly to the Google Sites dashboard where all your website magic begins. Now that you're in, it's time to navigate to the specific site you wish to edit. Google Sites should display all your sites on the dashboard. Click on the site you want to work on, and let's proceed to the next step. Once your site loads, look for the Pages button, which should be visible on the right hand panel. This section is essentially where the hierarchy of your site's pages lives. Clicking on Pages will unfold all the pages you currently have, showcasing the structure of your site. Alright, we're making good progress. The next step is to click on New Link. You might wonder what this means. Simply put, it's Google Sites' way of letting you add a new hyperlink to your site, whether it's linking to an external site or another page within your own site. It's a pretty handy feature for improving your site's navigation. After clicking on New Link, a window will pop up prompting you to type in the name of the link. This is the text that will be displayed on your website for visitors to click on, so make sure it's descriptive and clear. Now for the critical part, choosing the page you want this link to direct to or route. If you're linking to another page within your Google site, browse through the list and select the desired page. Google Sites makes this super intuitive by showing you all available pages you've created so far. Once you've selected the page, click on Home to return to the main editing view. This doesn't mean you're redirecting your link to the home page. It simply means you're going back to the main editor screen. Lastly, don't forget to click on Done to save your changes. This is an essential step. Clicking Done finalizes all the edits you've made, ensuring that your new link is active and functional on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to another page on your Google Sites webpage. Remember, adding links to your site not only helps with navigation, but also improves the overall user experience, making your site more professional and accessible. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to enhance your site efficiently. Whether you're looking to link to internal pages or external sites, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Explore, experiment, and elevate your website with Google Sites. Happy linking!